This marks the beginning of an exciting journey from egg to chicken. Inside each egg, tiny embryonic growth begins during the first day of incubation. The incubator maintains ideal conditions for healthy development. Log the candling results for Section B.
Done. All parameters within the acceptable range for day 10.
We have movement on tray 4.
Look at him go! It's finally happening!
Handle them gently. We want them arriving healthy at the farm.
That's the last of them.
Good. The brooders look perfect this morning.
We need to adjust the height on this drinker.
Okay, I'll make a note of that now.
Growth rate is excellent on these Australorps.
Yes, the management practices are really paying off.
The chicks are hydrating well. This line is perfectly clean. Pressure looks stable. I'll log it now.
Alerts. By day 10, small white feathers begin appearing on the wings and backs of the growing chicks. Their appearance starts changing.
By day 16, the chickens have entered a rapid growth stage and appear noticeably larger than before.
All indicators are green. The activity levels and feathering are ideal. Confirms the sensor readings. This house is performing exceptionally well.
The growth rate is exceeding expectations. They look very healthy and uniform.
The day 20 numbers look incredible, far exceeding the targets.
It's a testament to the new system. The uniformity is perfect.
The average weight is still tracking above target for this week.
Good. The feed conversion ratio is holding steady as well.
The growth records confirm excellent development.
Yes, the rapid growth phase was very successful.
The quality looks good here.
Yeah, the flow is steady down the line.
We are right on track.
The data confirms everything looks good.
Absolutely. The flock is healthy and ready for the final stage.
By day 28, the chickens have reached an impressive level of development. Their bodies appear full, strong, and nearly ready for market. Everything looks perfect. The health and uniformity are exactly what we want to see. The data confirms it. Excellent production indeed. This incredible transformation is the result of 30 days of dedication, technology, and healthy growth.